Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is excruciating. It's pronounced excruciating, and it's spelt E-X-C-R-U-C-I-A-T-I-N-G. Think X, crew, CIA, and then ting. This is our longest word yet. Excruciating has two meanings. Excruciating can be used to describe something that is intensely painful. For example, you could have excruciating back pain or an excruciating headache. Alternatively, excruciating can be used to describe something extremely boring or embarrassing. For example, you could experience excruciating boredom. The word excruciating comes from the Latin word excruciat, which means tormented. Tormented has a similar meaning to excruciating, experiencing a severe physical or mental suffering. Did you know that there's a tree native to Australia which stings with a scorpion-like venom, which causes excruciating pain? The tree delivers a painful sting when touched, which can last for weeks. Similar to stinging nettles, which you can find here in the UK, the tree has evolved a sting to stop animals from eating it. However, this tree sting is excruciating and apparently feels like being set on fire. Excruciating is an adjective, and therefore it is used to describe. For example, you could say, "Ouch, my leg is in excruciating pain," if you fell over badly and injured your leg. Or you could say, "The teacher described the task in excruciating detail," if the teacher describes something in a boring way with way too much detail. Excruciating can be turned into excruciatingly, which is an adverb. For example, you could say, "The school day passed excruciatingly slowly." Excruciating is defined in the dictionary as extremely painful, boring, or embarrassing. Excruciating synonyms include agonizing, painful, severe, acute, intense, extreme, and grievous. Antonyms include calm, dull, easy, mild, bearable, endurable, and slight. We hope very much that you don't experience anything excruciating today. But if you do experience something painful, like a wasp sting or a small graze, you could always exaggerate it a touch and say, "This is excruciating," just so you can practice your vocabulary. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.